Chicken and banana curry is one of those recipes that really shouldn't work in principle. However, this is a really tasty and delicious alternative to using traditional ingredients in a curry. Hello, my name is Rob and welcome to Eat Skinny Live. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this weird recipe using chicken and banana and lots of other tasty ingredients. So let's get cooking. Into a blender, you are going to want to put 1 onion, 1 red chilli, 3 garlic cloves, and 5 centimeters of root ginger. You're going to blend that up into a smooth paste. Now, if you don't have a blender, you want to chop this up very finely. In a large saucepan, you want to spray low-calorie cooking spray and add the paste into that and cook that off for 5 to 10 minutes. Into that, you then want to put 50 grams of ground almonds and 500 milliliters of chicken stock. Next, you want to add in 500 grams of chopped chicken and you want to cook that for roughly 25 minutes. In another bowl, you need 140 grams of natural fat-free Greek yogurt and add 2 teaspoons of cornflour. Pour that into the mixture and give it a mix until it thickens. Next, you want to chop up 3 bananas into bite-sized chunks and add that into the mix. Then you're going to serve that with your favourite rice and enjoy. If you're into using interesting ingredients, pop a comment down below and tell me what's the most interesting ingredient you have used. And also, if you're into this and want to keep up to date with other strange ingredients in delicious recipes, click the cards here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.